Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by enabling Stage Manager and configuring its basics. Open Control Center or System Settings and turn Stage Manager on. This immediately groups windows and creates a focused workspace. Once done, enable Recent Apps and choose whether external displays use separate spaces so your workflow stays organized across monitors. Make sure to assign a keyboard shortcut and enable window previews. These small settings let you summon Stage Manager quickly and see thumbnails at a glance, which speeds window switching and reduces visual clutter. You now build and refine your workspace by organizing windows into groups. Drag a window into the left shelf to create a new group, or drop it onto another app to merge them. This keeps related tasks together. Once grouped, use Split View to position two apps side by side and resize with drag handles for the exact layout you need. Then pin groups you use often and hide or minimize ones you don't. That way, you maintain focus and can return to a saved context instantly when your task changes. Finish by fine-tuning Stage Manager and knowing what to do when things go wrong. Adjust focus options like desktop icons, previews, and how recent apps appear so the interface matches your workflow and reduces interruptions. If a window ends up in the wrong group or disappears, toggle Stage Manager off and on, or manually drag windows back into place. That usually resets layout state. For sluggishness, close unused apps, install any OS updates, and restart. These steps resolve most performance glitches and keep Stage Manager responsive.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.